How to deactivate Facebook account. First, open your Facebook app and go click More in the lower right corner of the screen. Scroll down to select Settings and Privacy and select Settings once again. Here in the Meta Account Center, click See More. And under Account Settings, select Personal Details. Now, in Account Ownership and Control, select this and you can see the activation or deletion. Select this and choose an account that you want to deactivate or delete. Now, simply select between the two, deactivate or delete account, and click Continue once you're done. For now, let's select Deactivate and then check the details if it is correct. And if it is, click Continue. Then write your password to proceed in the activation. And then click Continue once you are done. Now your account is successfully deactivated. You can activate your account once again if you log in within 30 days. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.